Hello students, today we are going to discuss about computer science internal assessment criteria D. Now why we need the criteria D? What is the purpose of the criteria D? Criteria D assesses the extent to which product function as a evidence of a video can be expanded and modified by future users as a evidence in the design and the development documentation. That means you are making a product. Now how it is functioning, that as a evidence you need to show your examiner. So for that you need the video, because you cannot expect the examiner that they will install the software or they will have the required software how your project will run. So to see whether your product is working or not, and also when I will show you the sample, you will see that you have to explain this one as a success criteria. In the criteria A, you have mentioned some success criteria. So whether your product is meeting success criteria or not, you need to explain that one. You need to explain the functionality. So that is the one reason of the making the video. Second reason is that how the product can be expanded in future. The extensibility, that, or also you can also mention the sustainability, how it can be sustained. That is the purpose of the criteria D. Criteria D is having 4 marks and all of you should get 4 marks. And how can you guarantee that you will get the 4 marks? You need to remember few things. First thing is that when you are explaining, you explain all the success criteria. Your voice should be very clear. It must be up to 5 to 7 minutes, and also you can use some of the subtitle over there. So it's a video, so there is no word count, and you cannot supplement this one with the any kind of writing. One thing you must remember when you are making this video, as I mentioned earlier too, it must be a 5 to 7 minutes video. You cannot extend more than 7 minutes. Like extended essay, if you write more than 4,000 words, the examiners are not, they will not see that one. So same for the video also. So if it cross the 7 minutes, they will not watch that one. Why 5 to 7 minutes? Like actually students struggles to make a video of 7 minutes, because if you are making a standard project, to explain that you need time. So it's actually a bit challenging to explain everything within the 7 minutes. So if your video is ending in 1 or 2 minutes, you need to rethink on that one, whether the project is that much complex or not. To make it 7 minutes means between 5 to 7 minutes, you must write a script and you must rehearse that one. You need to explain with the success criteria. So what happens is that if you are not able to explain anything with the success criteria within limited time, you can use subtitle and you can use some label. Different softwares are available, you can use them. I prefer the Screenomatic video. Like this video also, when I'm recording, I am using the Screenomatic. There is Loom, but the Loom free version is only 5 minutes and the Screenomatic free version is 15 minutes. One important thing you need to remember, this is something first the examiner watch. As the examiner, I also first watch the video to understand what actually student has made. Then I go back to the criteria, then I come back again and again. So if they have some doubt that your project is not your work, then they will look into the code more seriously. So that you need to remember. This is the one of the key component of your project where you can impress or you can create your first impression to your examiner. Now I want to show you one video which will clearly explain that how you should actually record. I will not show you the full video. Students, you must have seen that how the student is explaining the success criteria. So success criteria, if you are not able to explain in speaking because lack of time, so you can explain this way, writing, giving the level. So this is how I am ending the criteria D. If you have any question, please write in the comment box. If you like my video, please press the like button and please subscribe my video. Thank you. Bye bye.